All right. What the heck? Japanese here. All right. What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? All right. I'm pretty sure I am going to play. Doing. All right. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to place this a silver long here, but before I do, why don't you guys tell me if you can hear me? Can you guys hear me? If you can, please type yes on the chat. hmm All right. Let's see if you can hear me because I'm not moving. Okay, so you can. Why don't you guys tell? So you can hear me. All right, Jim. Thank you. Flight fluid, leg car travel. Bogdan, how are you, mate? All right, so I am very possibly going to place this silver long. I'm just waiting for confirmation. Um, Good morning. Hi, Charles. Good morning, AVOB. Mario. Yo, what's up, man? Okay, so hold on. I'm gonna create some fucking content. So I hope everybody here ran with those pound yen longs longer than I did yesterday. Remember that I don't leave trades unattended, and yesterday I had I mean I was my head was really fucking killing me. So that's why I cut my my pound yens longs where I did. But I told you guys that you should really think about not doing that with me. All right, so hold on, creating some content. All right, everybody. Good morning. My daily show is live. Let me show you. We are live right now on YouTube. And I have again, I'm trading the pound yen again, same fucking setup every single day. And I'm about to place some longs in silver, perhaps, just waiting for confirmation. You know where you can find it, but the link is here. All right, just give me a second. I need to post this on Instagram. So what's up, mates? hmm Hold on just a second. All right, let me see. Hope can make live US session. Yeah, sure. I think I am today. I don't see why not. Because good morning, Tim. London in the house. The reason that I think I'm going to make a live US session is because I don't see too much going on right now, other than this pound yen, which I'm going to make the video for my VIPs right now. All right. Yup. All right. So listen up because this is the. Good morning, Pure Ministry of Jesus Christ. How are you? Bali in the house, Mario Jensen. How are you? You know that I was going to go to Bali during the fucking World Cup, and when I got to where was it? I think Houston, because I was going to do El Salvador, Houston. Uh, where was the World Cup being hosted at? Dubai, Qatar, and Qatar, Bali. When I got to Houston, they didn't let me on the flight because I needed the Hay visa, the visa they asked for the World Cup, which was nonsense because I was just transiting on Qatar. So after I fought it, they didn't let me in, those motherfuckers. So I had to come back to El Salvador. And the thing is that this was during Thanksgiving, mates. So I was fucking stuck in Houston during Thanksgiving, and with all flights full, all flights back to El Salvador full, right? I couldn't get back, so I had to go. I had to wait a day in Houston, and then I told them, fuck it, just send me to San Francisco because my brothers live there. Because I was traveling with, I think, American Airlines. I don't remember. I was traveling with Qatar Airways, but the first leg of the flight was with, I don't remember what American airline was it. But they didn't have any flights to San Francisco directly, so they couldn't, right? So I was on standby still. So I flew over to Miami to see if I could get in on a flight, and I was still on standby. After two failed standby flights, attempts, I decided just to buy a direct, flight over to El Salvador with another airline. So, and I lost all the money that I spent booking Airbnbs because I was going to stay 3 weeks in Bali. So no Airbnb returned me the money. The flight over to Bali is expensive. More on World Cup times, it was like 3K. And the flight back on Thanksgiving on short notice was also very expensive. Fuck, man. So bad. And the only thing that I wanted to do the first thing that I was going to do once I got to Bali, because I go there every day, every year. And the last time that I was there was before the pandemic, so I really was missing that corn on the beach. But yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for next year. No, for this year or next year. No, this year. I don't remember. Yeah, but that's my story. Good morning, Richard. All right, so I'm going to record my video for my VIPs. After that, I don't know. I think I'm gonna change the color of my lights to purple. Alexa, reserva uno azul. Oh yeah, much better. All right, everybody. Good morning. Again, another day, another fucking dollar. Why don't we have a look at what I'm looking at here on the pound yen? So the pound yen, I'm sorry. I'm looking for longs on the pound yen and longs only here in this market. Yesterday I took some longs and I really missed on a 90 pips of the entire move, but I do not leave trades unattended. Um, and I was not going to be in front of my screens, but still very nice profit. Today I'm looking at after the pullback, um, pre Asian session, and the Asian session lows being the last sweep of the lows of this pullback, meaning that this high the mid Asian session point is the change in character in this market, right? And with two breaks of the structure, I am considering longs and longs only for the next leg up. What I'm looking at here is, of course, a pullback towards the imbalance left on the bullish OB that created this change in character. I do want to get filled on my position. That's why I have my entry right here at this bullish breaker, right? And not below at the bullish OB. But I am just looking for all of this liquidity to get taken out. Right here we have the last piece of that liquidity before that imbalance. Again, I'm looking at the breaker as my entry, not the imbalance field, which means that should I get triggered on this long, I might get in on a little bit of a drawdown should price mitigate this OB, but it's fine. Now, looking at the Japanese yen basket, again, same thing. Yesterday we took a short on the Japanese yen, looking for shorts again here on the Japanese yen again, but this moment in time is just not what we are looking for. We're looking for price to sweep all of this liquidity, of course, right after the London session broke with the Asian session lows, right? Same story as in the pound yen, but on the other side, right? Because this is the Japanese yen. Here's that OB, bearish OB that we're looking for price to mitigate. So basically what I'm looking for is price to come back here and then continue to the downside, right? If price breaks with, the London session lows, well, I will be missing that trade, but I am not going to get involved at these levels. Suriname in the house. So someone is short or long on the euro yen. Yeah, we can have a look at that. We can definitely have a look at that, but before we do, mate, I am going to look at silver. All right, let's go. So what I'm looking at here in silver, I'm looking at the entire market structure. This is very bullish, very, very bullish. Now, a quick look at gold too. Right, so gold, I rather take this gold long rather than the silver long. So we're going to look at remove drawings at gold longs. First of all, 15-minute chart right here. Now on the 15-minute chart, if you notice, guys, on the 15-minute chart, these lows right here come to mitigate this order block, right? This bullish order block. That's cool. That's very, very fucking cool, because this is a mitigation of that 15-minute order block, which created a massive push up, right? So that's a 15-minute order block being mitigated. Now we're going to go to the 3-minute chart to find our fucking entry. right? I'm gonna get rid of this because you already saw it. Now, this is just again liquidity in the market. Here, this lows that just got taken out. This is liquidity in the market, guys. Boom. Um, hmm, just got taken out. That's a good fucking thing. Oh. Hmm. Oh no, they haven't been taken out just yet. They haven't. They haven't taken out just yet. All right, cool. So here we go. This is liquidity, and here, my friends, is me, me. Where's the order block? Let's try to find that fucking order block, right? Gold on the 3-minute chart. Hello, Austria in the fucking house. Hi, Chris. Um, yeah. Could you tell me how to kind of find liquidity in the chart? Yeah, sure I can. Sure I can. And may I ask, do you use any indicators for your order blocks? No, I don't. I really don't. Oh, mate. I really fucking don't. Alright, so let's have a fucking look at this. I don't, but there's a ton of indicators that, that work to find order blocks. Now I'm going to show you a few. I'm going to show you one that, and the reason that I don't use indicators to find order blocks, that's my bullish OB. So I'm going to place this long in bullish OB. I'm going to place this trade, guys, and I'm going to show you those indicators afterwards. I'm going to show you those indicators afterwards. Yeah, of course. So this is my structure low. Cool. This is my. Do you guys know how to always make your line straight so I don't have to copy paste, the coordinates? I don't know how to do that. I really don't know how to do that. That's my bullish OB, right? Structure low. Let's see if we can find. That's liquidity, and here we have that imbalance. So everything is pointing out at a phenomenal fucking setup in gold. I am. Can you dig it, guys? Can you fucking dig it? Yeah. So I don't know how to do this. I would appreciate. Anyhow. All right, so here it is, right? Here it fucking is. So let's have a look at, some power zones. Power zones right there. So I'm going to place my buy limits here in gold. Here around the 1948, because I want to get filled. 1948 TP1 at the highs of the move. Here, I'm going to show you. 1948 TP1 at the highs of the move. Now, of course, my stop loss below the structure low TP1 would be for a 4R or so, 3.9R. TP2 here in gold. Is going to be here, this liquidity for 7R, and I'm going to leave a runner just because, you know, the banks are fucked. Hold shift while you draw makes it straight. Hold on, let me have a look at this. Shift. Jesus. Jesus. Thank you. Jesus. Fuck. Thank you. Thank you very much, mate. I appreciate that. Tobago's no fall. You have earned a big, if you want to be part of my VIP group, you have earned a 50% discount. Just message me on Instagram and I'll give you the code. Yeah, Chris, I will tell you how to find liquidity on the chart. Just let me trade. Place my trade. Pound yen. All right, pound yen looking good. Now breaking to the downside. Remember, I need price to hit my zones. I'm not going to get involved in the middle of nowhere. All right, so I'm going to place this trade. 1950 is going to be my entry. 1950? Did I say 1950? Did I fucking say 1950? No, I said 1948. I'm gonna place it 1949. Yeah, 1948 should be my entry. I'm 1948. 1948. I don't like it. Actually, it's going to be 19 here. All right. First of all, let me insert my position size calculator, my risk calculator. Guys, if you don't have a risk calculator, please purchase one. I'm gonna risk 0.3% on this trade. That's why I am going to risk 0.20 to TP1. Right, pending order. So I don't get paid, you know, to promote this risk calculator. So it's already in my VIP group, mate. Cheers. All right. All right, flight. You know what? I'll give you guys, hold on. I have, my allergies are acting up. I'm sorry, guys. All right. I'll probably give you a 20% discount at the end of the show. So heads up to that. All right. So here's my first leg of the trade of the setup. Right. I'm gonna enter that. Let's see. Gold. I am going to round things up because you know I have OCD. Fucking OCD. All right, here we go. So that's the first leg, and the second leg, mates, of course, is to this lows right here. Actually, my first leg should be here to the 1970. That's going to be my first leg to the 1970. Actually, no, to the 1970. To the 1966-30. Hello, Francis. How are you? You know what? Thank you, ABOB, for the advice. But this really works towards not getting headaches. I don't know why. So I'm going to take my first profits here at this low, so around the 1966. Well, that's my 1966. 1966. Really trying to get involved in the next leg up in gold. And if the 0.20 is, I'm going to go with modified order, pending order for my second target, of course. It's a buy limit of 0.10. And I am going to have a look. Uh-huh. I am going to have a look at those targets on the hourly for my second longs. Should be, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy. 1986. 1986. All right. That's my trade. 5 minute chart. Boom. Let's have a look at the pound yen. Ooh, come on, baby. Fill us in. It's been good, mate. Looking forward to your signals. All right. Let me send this to my VIPs. I think I'm going to give my pound yen um, trade just a TP1 for free on the free group. Copy, boom. Yeah, I'll do that. Uh-huh. For my Italita. All right, so I'm gonna send my gold trade. Oh man, don't tell me I'm not gonna get filled on my long. No, I mean I have to, right? Man, I don't have to get filled, right? That's crazy what I just said. But here, there's absolutely no setup. All right, so let me send this to my VIPs. Right. Buy limit. Uh-huh. Stop loss. TP. Uh-huh. TP2. It's what? 1986, 1986. And I'm risking 0.3%. All right. TP1, TP2. Um, I try place separate orders, but when they are triggered, they just turn into one trade. And am I doing something wrong in MT5? I don't know. Let's see if that happens to me. I have no idea, mate. All right, so let's go. I am going to. I'm gonna to record the video just later. All right, so. So we have a couple of things to go through. Right, could you please tell me how can I find liquidity in the market? Well, that's easy, mate. I'm gonna tell you. So, Chris, Sfero, heads up because this is for you. Now, whenever you see a break of the structure, just like this one right here. A break of the structure, that means that you are going to get a couple of things. A break of the structure comes more often than not with volume, right? With volume. So there's going to be here, like here, an imbalance or inefficiency in the market. There's going to be an auto block that created that break of the structure, etc., etc., etc. Now, after the break of the structure, you're going to see this spikes high, right? This is liquidity. This is buy-side liquidity. Why is that liquidity? Well, it's pretty simple, because these are weak players in the market trying to get short, um, by trying to get short at the retest of the previous broken lows, right? So where are they going to put their stop losses? More often than not, they're going to put their stop losses just above those weak highs, and that stop loss is the liquidity I'm talking about. That's it. So good stuff, mate. Come to Kenya. Kenya in the house. Yeah, I don't think so, mate. But I'm happy that you're here. Can you tell me how can I find? Africa is a continent that I do not, know. I've never been to Africa. Whilst I was in college, I have a funny story. I was going to go to Morocco with my roommates, right? And because I was a student, with my flatmate, we decided to take a bus from France. I was living in France at the moment. From France to Gibraltar. So then we got into a ferry, and because I'm from El Salvador, right? I need visas to enter almost every single fucking country. I didn't know that, so I got into the ferry. I saw Africa. I smelled it, but I had to come back to Spain. So now indicators for order blocks. Now there's a few, right? The one that I always use, to explain why I don't use indicators is this one, order block indicator, right? The reason that I don't like indicators for order blocks is because of this. Hold on. So volume pivot, you can play with this to get, accurate indicators, or to, you can play with this just to make sure that order blocks, feel your thesis. In this case, I want to go long here, right? But if I go higher in the volume of the pivot, my order blocks are going to go lower and lower and lower and lower, etc. Right? If you notice. So that's the reason that I just don't dig them. Just 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 make sure you know how to spot them. All right, so we're waiting for this and that again. Just waiting for this, for these two trades to fill us in. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy, to answer them. Yeah, because I have absolutely nothing to do other than just wait for this trades to fill me in. We can look at videos of people blowing their accounts too if you want. That's funny. Yesterday, I even made an Instagram reel about it. I thought it was really funny. Right, so if you don't follow us on Instagram, go ahead and follow us Also, mates, I don't ask for anything at all. For the shows, I don't ask for anything at all for the shows. So the least thing you can do is just subscribe to this channel. Right, subscribe to the channel and like the fucking video. And also, why don't you give me can you give me a review on my shows here on Trustpilot? I would appreciate it. Yeah, I would appreciate that. So ABOB, can you see if US 30 has bearish? Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Sure, mate. Yeah, I'll give you the Instagram. And be careful out there because there's a ton of people impersonating me and our company that just want to steal your money. Here's the Instagram. Yeah, I'm going long on both. So the Dow. Yeah, I don't know. No, I mean, yeah, I don't know. I don't trade. I have a couple of rules. One is that I don't trade the Asian session range. And the second one is that I don't trade US equities during the London session open. You know. For example, a good example was yesterday's. Yesterday I took a short on the Nasdaq. I made a small profit here, right? Because I set my entry at the Asian session. But if you notice, the real move came after the liquidity sweep of the Asian session highs, or something like this, right? So yeah, I just don't do that, mate. I don't even look at those markets during those times. Uh-huh. Gold, I think, gold is about to trigger us in, I believe. Let's have a look. Let's wait. Mm-hmm. Where did I place my entries in gold? A little lower, right? So what? 1948, 80. 1948, 80. So here. All right. Seeing that reel really funny. Yeah, I mean, it's a sale. It's a sale. The guy, man. The guy was risking like. The guy was setting himself up for a margin call since the start. And the thing is that I don't get. I've never understood this. The thing is that why people do that. Here's the Trustpilot link, mate. Shite. Here is the Trustpilot link. So I don't understand why people do that. That they open, like fucking 15 trades in a row. This guy had a 2 point. I'm gonna show you the real actually. Here it is. If you haven't looked at it, here it is. Ah, shit. Well, you know what? I'm not gonna show you the real then, but yeah, I am, however, going to tell you what I don't understand. Um, yeah, I don't understand why people open, 15 to 20 consecutive trades, with very big lot sizes, right? And yeah, with very big lot sizes, just setting themselves up for. And this guy had a, $2,500 account, and he was either trading CPI or non-farm payrolls. Yes, we gave you my review on Trustpilot. You deserve that. Thank you, ABOP. All right, so I'm just waiting for this, and waiting on the pound yen too. I mean, this might take some time if it plays out at all. Also, another thing that I don't do, for example, if you notice price came very fucking close to my entry, so I don't chase. I don't chase at all. In the sense that sometimes I've seen price get this close to my entry and just rally. Yeah, it sucks, but the times that that happen are very, very, very few compared to the times that price could just make a lower high and then trigger me in and then move, being a trappity trap. So I don't chase the market. I don't chase it at all. I let it come to my predetermined zones. I already took the decision, right? I already took the decision. I'm gonna try the shift thing. Awesome. I already took the decision. There's nothing, absolutely nothing to decide here, other than nothing at all. All my decision taking process is made. So yeah. So any more questions? Why don't we have a look at some other markets? Someone was long the euro yen. Let's have a look at that. Nice, mate. Nice trade. Where were you long from? Nice fucking trade. Um, let's have a look at some other markets. Um, the pound USD. Now, I was looking for possible shorts on the pound USD, to be completely and utterly honest with you. Um, Actually, it was very timely. I know people who blew up their account during FOMC, like 5 sales and 5 buys. Wow, that's crazy. That's just fucking crazy. Yeah. I think sometimes you send trades on VIP crypto also. No, I never sent a trade on the crypto. Oh, listen, mate, I'm sorry, but I am going to do and I am going to manage my groups as I see fit. I'm not going to change because of you, so you need to be careful with your copy trader. I'm not going to change because of you. So if I send a trade on the crypto group, it's because I send a free trade on all of my groups. So you need to be careful with that, not me, right? Yeah, there you go. So this pound push lower is going to help us get filled, hopefully, on our long on the GBP yen. Let's have a look at the pound because this could be, in fact, something very nice. Uh huh. So here is. Uh oh. I love that. Thank you for the shift. Uh, you know. Yeah, like I told you, ABOB, you need to be careful with your shit. I'm gonna do whatever I do. You know, I'm not gonna change because of you. I'm sorry. I manage my groups how I see fit. So we have that imbalance here, so we'll maybe looking at possibly a 0.3% move to the downside. And we are waiting for our pound yen long. That move might actually trigger this, pending order, even though it's just a 13% move to the downside. But that could be, in fact, something good for us. Now, I've been live for 46 minutes, guys, and there's not too much going on, so I am going to log off. I'll try to come back for, no, I'm definitely coming back for the US Open. Heads up to that. If you are not part of my VIP group, here is a 20% discount code, 20% discount code, copy. I don't know, ABOB. Get your shit together. I have no clue. Why would you use a copier? No, you can't pay with Bitcoin for the VIP group, mate. I'm sorry. Maybe for the lifetime access, but I don't know. So the 20% discount code is live. I'm gonna show you where how to do it. That's the link. You're going to go here. And this only works for the 1 month subscription, so take this, choose this plan, and right here, where is it? Where the fuck is it? Here, coupon code, you're going to input live and apply it, and that will give you a 20% discount on your, on your subscription. That's it. Thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate it. Yeah. And again, I'll keep you guys posted on how I manage my trades if you are a VIP. Alright, don't forget to leave me a Trustpilot review on my shows. I would appreciate that too. Cheers.